The new Phoenix 334, the Phoenix 334 FL is just the RV to make sure memories last forever. Come inside and I'll show you how. The 334 FL is a front living RV which gives you a huge master bedroom and a huge bathroom. Look at this huge bathroom. There's a giant closet here with washer dryer connections inside of it. Huge shower for two. And look at these windows, double sinks. You can watch the dolphin play while you're in here getting your morning started. So you get a king size bed that you can walk all the way around. Tons of storage, plus this RV has 3 AC units, so every zone can be controlled independently depending on how you like it. Now that you've gotten out of bed, you got your day started, look at this giant gourmet kitchen, including a double sink kitchen island. You ready to get your morning started? We got plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinetry, 3-burner stove, microwave convection oven, and again, the kitchen has its own individually zoned air conditioning. And when the day's over and you just want to come in and relax, we got you covered there too. Movie night, watch the football game, catch the latest fishing show on TV, you can do it all right here from the comfort of your own RV. We got tons of floor plans, financing from everyone with a 550 credit score and higher. In this particular RV, MSRP is $119,000. We have it on sale for less than $80,000. Come see us at savarv.com and set up financing with our in-house specialist.